Well, hello YouTube channel, it's Belmont here. And first off, I want to apologize that I didn't get a chance to upload on Friday. Simple reason is my sleep meds and my pain meds got the better of me, and I laid down to sleep them off. Woke up at almost 12:30 in the morning, and the Wi-Fi was out here, so that's pretty much it. Before I really start, I want to make a few announcements and address some people. For starters, give a shout out to someone who I haven't seen in 5 years and has been trying to find me. And I just so happen to have found them again through TikTok, shockingly enough. So, shout out to Mel. Thank you for not forgetting about me. I also want to give a birthday shout out to Shay. Happy birthday, many more. And I want to address the Locksport community, specifically someone known as Picking Paradise, or Mr. Paradise now. If you haven't done any actual lockpicking content in 8 months, you do not deserve to be calling yourself a lockpicking channel, or to even be on the Blogspot list of lockpicking channels. Because that would be an insult to what they are if all you're doing is uploading vacation and travel bullshit. And I've already mentioned that to you, and all you said was thanks. Now, on with the show. What I have here is a Masterlock. I would say this is pretty close to being a 30 millimeter. It is, however, too small for comb pick bypass. This is also one of the many locks that my benefactor, Mr. Double M, sent. And here's the original key for it, of which he made 2 extra copies. And it says for this key, it's an M13. Here's the key bitting. And you can see the lock does indeed work. Now, this lock has a couple of interesting functions when trying to pick it. Sometimes it will unlock, and that meaning I'm using the triple peak, and I'm using the medium-sized tension wrench. Sometimes the core will turn. Other times, and I've also tried picking this with my quad and quint rakes. So here's the quint. And you can see the core didn't turn. So it's bypassable. However, when trying with the Sparrow's bypass knife in the Ranger set, it doesn't work. So I consider this to be a very unique Masterlock in the brass design. You can now see that it can be bypassed, it can be picked or raked. So October has, well, gotten into full swing. It's been 7 days since the start of October, and the weather has finally come down in its degrees, so we're now seeing highs in the 50s here in western Pennsylvania. And again, I want to apologize to my viewers. When you have back pain, shit happens. And when your Wi-Fi goes out, it's, well, I can't take the blame on that. So that's going to do it for this week's video. I will be picking up some more picks in the future before December. You know, Christmas is around the corner, and hey, I plan to keep making lock picking videos, locksmithing videos, Locksport videos, and only occasionally making content for video games, because I am a lock picking channel. So that's it for this week. Enjoy yourselves. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend. And as always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.